Hi there, this is Lena. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I would share some products that I enjoy using within the flamenco genre, whether I'm performing or whether I'm rehearsing or just stylistically that flamenco attire that you might be interested in. And I have some shout outs to a couple of companies. So I'm based here in Arizona, and in Phoenix, there is this wonderful uh, jewelry maker, and I got these beautiful earrings from her. And her company is called Andrea's Tienda. And so if you're interested in looking into some of her stuff, that there's a link below, and I think it's, really pretty. Also really brings out that flamenco attire that if I'm performing or I just I love hoops. I love hoop earrings. So this is another, the skirt that I am wearing right now is is a Siren Skirt, handmade by a woman who has an eco couture handmade uh, business for clothing business for women. And this is a Siren Skirt that I purchased from her many years ago at a flamenco workshop in San Diego. She is based in San Diego and she's amazing. I love her and I love her products. And so this skirt I have worn on stage. And I've worn it over another skirt, so it's a top skirt. Uh, but I wear it a lot in the studio, and when I'm teaching, I wear it, and I just love it. It's beautiful. So these are two companies that I highly recommend that are great quality products and one of a kind also. So I hope you found this helpful. I wish you an amazing day and see you soon. Bye.